Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to read about the single answer for all the annotations and question answers for the lesson Dancing in the Rain, TSBIE second year English, first module, first lesson Dancing in the Rain by Azim Hashim Premji. The essay is about the pathetic story of the tragic story of small children. So today is Children's Day. On this occasion, I would like to present the single answer for this lesson. So it has a very good message for both parents and as well as teachers. And this is against child labor. So the essay opens with a disturbing report on child labor, and the author says that it should be abolished. And the children of the poor, they are working in factories from morning to evening, sunrise to sunset. As they don't have enough money for their livelihood, they are struggling very hard. On the other hand, the children of the high strata, higher families, rich families, well-to-do families, they are inside the walls of the prisons. I mean to say, the schools and colleges from morning to evening, they are also overburdened. Okay, so in the name of getting ranks and marks, they are tortured by the so-called teachers and lecturers. Azim Premji opines in this way. Now have a look at the annotations and question answers. So we have four questions and four annotations. What kind of freedom does Azim Premji recommend to the children of India? According to Azim Premji, in what way is a child different from adults? What does the writer expect from parents and teachers in the essay Dancing in the Rain? What kind of change does Azim Premji visualize in school and homes? Now, annotations. Robbing children of their childhood is a criminal act, and our society must weed this malaise out from the root. Second one, when I look at children, I wonder whether they have the time to play with friends and meet interesting people to explore the world. Third one, Gandhiji said that the greatest lessons in the life are learned from children, not from learned men. And the fourth one is, India will be radiant when our children are free to dance in the rain. Now, for all these questions, I'm going to give you one single answer. Okay, so now we move on to the single answer. So here we go now. This is the single answer for all annotations. So with side heading also you can write, without side heading also you can write, no problem. For annotations, this is the answer. These lines are taken from the essay Dancing in the Rain, written by Azim Premji. He is the chairman of Wipro Limited. Next paragraph. The essay deals with the excessive burden, both physical and mental, that is imposed on children. He says that it is a serious crime to deprive children of their God-given childhood. He opines that children should have full freedom, they should dance in the rain freely. Then only our country will be radiant and develop in all the aspects. He opines that children are far better than adults because they are bold, creative, and don't have fear of failure, where as adults give up before trying, and for them money and recognition only matter. In this way we can learn so many things from children, not from adults. So these are the actual words spoken by Gandhiji. Okay. Now, single answer for all questions. If any question is given, you can write this answer. So only opening lines are changed here. So if it is annotation, we can write these lines are taken from the essay. If it is question, we can write the essay Dancing in the Rain was written by Azim Premji. He is the chairman of Wipro Limited. He is a great Indian business tycoon and philanthropist. Okay, and the second para is same as above. The second paragraph is same as above, and at the end of the answer you can write this quotation also. It is told by William Wordsworth. Child is the father of man. Child is the father of man. A caged bird can't sing happily. Quoted by famous romantic poet William Wordsworth. Okay, students, I hope that this video is very useful to you. You have enjoyed this video. So we meet again for the next class. Okay, for the next single answer for the next lesson. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.